So kung transparency lang naman pala, did you finally confess to her na magkasama tayo the day that Joy died?
Hello?
Hey, Will, are you still at the resort? Because I'm here.
What? What are you doing here?
As well, soul searching. Pero let's not talk about me. I saw Joy but I haven't seen you. Nasaan ka? Let's talk.
I guess I feel guilty just leaving her habang anniversary namin. I know I should be there for Joy, but away lang kami ng away. She finds fault in the littlest things. Nakakapagod.
Well, come on. Calm down, okay?
It's your right to leave. And you know, to put boundaries para hindi ka makonsume ng inis tsaka frustration mo kay Joy. And I think it's better kung wag ka na munang bumalik. Tsaka na kayo mag-usap kapag parehas na malamig yung ulo nyo.
I know, but I just thought this time maayos na kami. That's why we booked this vacation. Her favorite place. And what does she do? Just keeps nagging and nagging.
It's good that I'm here. Ako ang magtatanggal ng stress mo. I won't nag you, nor find faults in you. Because to me, Will, you're perfect.
Hey! Ronnie, what are you doing?
What? Well, do you really think I'd come all the way here for nothing? Na magsa-soul searching lang talaga ako?
Ronnie! Wait. Akala ko ba nagkalingawan na tayo na magkaibigan lang tayo? Kaya ako nagkukwento sa'yo eh.
Nagkikwento ka sa akin kasi malinaw na hindi ka na masaya sa marriage niya ni Joy. And it's your way of telling me that I'm the one capable of making you happier.
Oh, Ronnie, walang ganun. Ronnie, I'm sorry kung yun ang nakala mo. You know what? It's probably best you just leave. Gusto ko mapag-isa.
Fine. Kung hindi mo nakikita yung efforts ko at hindi mo na-appreciate yung efforts ko, bahala ka na dito magmukmuk. Babalik na lang ako ng Manila kasi wala naman ako mapapala dito.
I was with you earlier that day only, Ronnie. I never saw you again after that moment. Kaya wag mo akong bina-blackmail din na may porket magkasama tayo earlier that day. Malay ka ba kung umalis ka talaga? You could have stayed and killed Joy that night.
Wow. Nakahanap ka lang ng lusot. Ako na naman pinagbibintangan mo. Wilfred, bakit? Bakit ba ayaw mo maniwala na inosente ako? How can you pin this on me? Do I really look like a joke to you?
Minsan mo na ako niloko at pinag-ikot. You pushed na sisihin si Carol. At dahil sa'yo, nasira ang pagsasama at ang pamilya namin. So, bakit nga ba ako maniniwala sa'yo? You're not just a joke. You're a damn clown to me.
Sakit mo naman magsalita. When everything I did, nagawa ko kasi mahal kita.
How can I accept or even appreciate that kind of love? It's toxic. It's dangerous, and most of all, it's delusional. Kaya huwag ka nang umasa pa na kahit anong tulong mula sa akin. And please, save yourself some dignity. Stop bugging me. Stop calling me. Dahil the moment na ginulo mo pa ako at ang pamilya ko, I will consider you dead.